Hi to all the viewers and subscribers. My name is Maxim Brunevsky. I was born and live in the territory of the former Soviet Union. You probably noticed it right away from my accent and pronunciation. I am an engineer, physicist, and also researcher in the field of ufology. And I have a lot of experience in researching UFO cases on the territory of the former Soviet Union. I mean countries such as Kazakhstan, Ukraine, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Latvia, Estonia, and other nearby countries. So the information you will hear from me is quite unique for many viewers from countries outside the former Soviet Union, because this information most likely has not yet been presented so globally. So subscribe to the channel and like this video. It will be cool.
Ты все отснял, наверное. Ничего, никого. Вся шоу в прямом эфире.